You're already dreading the hitch carrier thing, aren't you?
I can work around it just fine.
We're traveling back in time to 2020, going to Glacier National Park, then to Northern California, and then finishing it out in San Diego.
Behold, we have searched far and wide, and now we have found the Old West. But I'm gonna be honest with you, it's kind of like 7:30 in the morning and barely wake up. So we can't scream the Old West. We just, Old West. Oh my goodness, a new villager! Welcome to the Old West.
There used to be something right there.
How's that coffee, ma'am?
Already cold.
No.
Is it cold?
It's about pool temperature. No, like a little warmer than that.
After a nice morning at the campground, we're headed over to Glacier National Park to the Lake McDonald area. Bye. I was just going to take a picture of the smiley face. On day 1, we did some hiking, and on day 2, we went kayaking. Now we are headed to Craters of the Moon National Monument. And from there, we are going to Crescent City, California. You really do have to go across water. Sweet.
So this is where
I totally just sunk in.
are?
My feet just were like, whoop, way in.
Whoop, like that.
Yep. So these girls right here are going to get to go from one side of the country to the other. They're going to get to see both oceans this year. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel, Nevaeh?
Epic. You wish you were as cool as I am.
Oh, that's warm water. Ew, it's warm water. Mommy would love that.
Here we go. Touch it. It's really
That's weird. After dealing with
ice water
yeah.
and whatever the heck the river was at Glacier. Sorry. At Hoojababuju. So I must say that new Animal Crossing update that came out. I am now an expert on diving. Who wants to go with me?
She said it's a toasty, 65 degrees.
Bro, for
I got Bree and Veda with me.
For Texas, this is like a blizzard.
Right? That's what I kept telling your daddy. I said it felt like it was October or possibly even Christmas. Huh. I love good food too. Go figure. Cleaning our thing down. We got our masks on. They got cauliflower.
They have saltwater cafe.
Mm-hmm. Oh, dang. So now I have to, ooh, no, I was going to say I have to make a decision, but let's be honest, I probably don't, because I could have this another day. I could have that today.
They have cheese and cheese and cheese and cheese and cheese and cheese and cheese.
Ooh, they got the good.
Surf Market also has barbecue today. Of course, you know, they don't have brisket. They ain't from Texas. But they do have ribs. And look at this. It's so cool how they do it. To be honest, Surf Market Gualala was one of my favorite parts of the trip. However, now we are headed to San Francisco to round out this video. Hi, Daddy. And supposedly you can hear them very well at that particular time. We've got some pretty cool seating over here too. This is a view of Bodan Bakery at Fisherman's Wharf, and then we're going to round out with a trip down Lombard Street.